Hi, hello. My name is Srinivas. I'm working as a software engineer and I am having 10 plus years of experience in software development. My technologies are Java, Advanced Java, Web Services, Microservices, and Angular technologies. And I worked in various domains like banking domain, retail domain, marketing domain, insurance domain, and various other domains. And I also worked for various customers like UK customers, US customers, Middle East customers, and EMEA countries. Today I come up with a microservices course. What is microservice? Microservices are an architectural style to build the system or an application as a set of small business components that are self-autonomous, self-contained, and loosely coupled. Basically, micro means small, microservice. So, service is nothing but web service. A complicated service divided into a small service, that is called as a microservice. And microservices are loosely coupled. Yes, because if we are considering as a loosely coupled, we need to understand earlier systems. Earlier systems we are using as web services. In that we will be maintained one WSDL file. If any problem comes, or if any one module down, or if any single problem comes in WSDL file, entire application will be down. That in the sense, web services are tightly coupled, but whereas in microservices are loosely coupled. And what are the purpose of microservices? The purpose of microservice is to achieve good agility and good speed of development and greater scalability. And how about evolutions? Many organizations like Amazon, Netflix, eBay successfully implemented divide and conquer technique to functionality partition to their monolithic applications as a set of single unit, each performing as a single function. These organizations solved a number of issues which they were experienced with monolithic applications. Following the success of these organizations, other organizations also started adopting this as a common pattern to refactor their monolithic applications. Let us see about architectural view of monolithic applications and microservices. This one monolithic architecture allows the development of different components such as presentation, application logic, business logic, and data access objects, and then bundle them together in an enterprise archive as ER where store them in a single directory. That in the sense we can see like a presentation, application, business, DAO in earlier legacy systems or in earlier systems, all these components are mixed up, combined, and we will develop as a single ERR where and we are deploying into the any application servers. If any one module has any impact, or if any one service like mostly like we will be having web services, and if any one service is having some problem, this entire application will be down. To overcome this only, we will be having microservices. So this microservices, if you see this one, more or less microservice and monolithic more or less same, but the system here is a single system consisting of presentation layer, application logic, business logic, DAO. So this one acting as a one single service. Even though one single service, it consisting of all the layers. That means all the life cycle we are maintaining. So considering this, another microservice also maintained another presentation, application logic, business logic, DAO layer. So vice versa, it is maintained, all the services are maintained, all the life cycles. Like monolithic and this one is same. But the thing is we are dividing a complicated services or a multiple modules or multiple services we are dividing into a single units. So this so that we will be achieving as a microservices, and this way we will be going to achieve as a good speed of development, and agility we will be achieving, and scalability also will be achieving. Suppose if one service microservice one or API one only down, That means microservice 2 and microservice 3, it can easily work and it can easily serve. So this is what microservices in introduction, and we will see practically in next session.